My name's Avery Smith. I'm an apprentice at Steiger Steel Fabrication here in La Crosse. It's really great. I couldn't be more thankful for the opportunity to even get this experience, to be able to just be doing hands-on where some people are still sitting in a classroom. I'm here every day welding and learning new skills. In a fun environment, I mean, you're doing something different almost every day. We do a bunch of custom fabrication and stuff, so you're never really doing the exact same thing over and over and over. You're always getting your hands on something new. You're never going to get this experience just being in a classroom. It's hands-on work, and it's never really feels like school, even though you're getting school credit for it. You get to leave school early and you get paid to learn new things, so it's really great.
Definitely a good program to have. It gets them out there, gets them some hands-on experience. You know, it helps train the younger guys. You're not out anything. If you think you might be interested in something, before you go spend a lot of money on schooling, if you have the opportunity to apprenticeship and figure out if it's for you, absolutely do it.
It's amazing. I really didn't know what I was going to do with my life, and so it's really just open to what I want to be doing, and it's like a trial run necessarily, so I'm doing more than what a 17-year-old really gets to do at this age. I'm not working retail, I'm doing a hands-on job.